how to be a dishwasher while cooking.
First, open the linen drawer and grab a towel and wash rag. Then put them aside for the dryer. Once dishes become dirty, you will start washing them. After dishes are being washed, you will wash off canister, mixer, and oven door. When you're done washing off canister, mixer, and oven door, you need to make sure there is no garbage left in the sink. When done cleaning the sink, dry off all countertops. After all countertops are dry, dry the wash tub. When done with that, clean and dry the sink. Now, dry the wash rack. And put away. Lastly, make sure the oven and stove is off. Then replace the linen drawer with 5 towels and 5 dish rags.